Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Rizwana's Rasoi. Today's recipe is a perfect seafood starter from the lovely city of Amritsar in Punjab, that is Amritsari fish fry. Found in local street food stalls to hi-fi restaurants, this is one such hassle-free snack that you can prepare in no time. So let us check out the ingredients and get started. For Amritsari fish fry, here I have taken 500 grams of fish, and this is a fish fillet that I have cut into small size chunks, that is roughly around 1 to 1.5 inches in size. Typically, Amritsari fish fry is made out of a fish called singhara in the north. Otherwise, this can also be made using tilapia or salmon or even cod fish. Basically, it should be a freshwater white fish. Wash the fish thoroughly and pat dry with a kitchen towel so that you can absorb the excess moisture from it. For making this Amritsari fish fry, we have to marinate the fish in two marinations. So first will be a basic marination, and then we will make use of gram flour to make the second marination. So for now, let us first move into the first marination. So first I am going to add salt to taste. Next, I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste. Next, I am adding a tablespoon of mustard oil, which gives a nice sharpness to the fish fry. Punjabi cuisine mostly consists of kasuri methi, so here I have taken 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and crushed it lightly with my hands. Next, I am adding half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Asafoetida gives a nice flavor and helps get rid of the fishy smell. After adding all the ingredients for the first marination, I am going to gently mix it. Use light hands and mix it gently so that you do not break the fish, because fish meat is delicate. After mixing it with all the ingredients and coating the fish well, I am going to leave this to marinate for just 15 to 20 minutes till all the flavors get well infused. Our fish has been marinating for 15 minutes now, and this time is sufficient as fish is a very tender meat. It does not require much of a time. And so this is one of the quickest recipe that you can try at your home. Now let us proceed to the second marination. For that I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this gives a very nice color. Next I am adding 2 tablespoons of thick curd or yogurt. Mix all these ingredients and coat the fish well. Amritsari fish is definitely not a fish pakora, but I would say that it is a lightly battered fish fry recipe where the fish gets a very nice light outer coating. For that I am going to add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which gives the crispiness. Next I am adding a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Just crush it lightly with your hands. Now mix all the ingredients well and coat the fish evenly. Amritsari fish typically has a very thin outer coating, so do not add excess of flour. After mixing and coating the fish well, I am going to leave it to rest for around 15 minutes before we start frying the fish. To fry the fish, I have taken sufficient oil in a kadai. Typically, Amritsari fish is deep fried, but if you wish, you can also shallow fry it. Slowly drop in the marinated fish pieces into the oil. Fry them in batches and do not overcrowd the kadai. Since fish is not going to take much of a time, just wait for a nice golden brown color. Once done, you can remove and serve it hot. So friends, our crispy Amritsari fish fry is ready. Serve it hot with some mint chutney, lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Do try this recipe and share your thoughts. Until we meet next time, it's bye from Rizwana's Rasoi. Thank you for watching.